That facility in Cheektowaga remains closed, and tonight we are still learning more about when workers there knew about issues. 2 on your side's Nate Benson joins us from the newsroom with the latest. Nate?
Yeah, Dave, Holiday Twin Rinks originally planned to reopen tomorrow, but now they're pushing that off several days as they continue to make repairs after that carbon monoxide incident last week. Over the weekend, we learned that on December 23rd, staff members of the Holiday Twin Rinks could hear CO detectors going off. But in an email to 2 on your side, Holiday Twin Rinks building supervisor Jim Bender says that he was notified about issues with the detector on December 20th or 21st. Once he was notified, he began working to repair them. Bender says he followed the manufacturer's guidelines and used compressed air to clean them, but there was still an issue. He replaced the faulty detectors with a temporary one, and he says that's what went off on Saturday in the video we showed you. It's unclear, however, whether the staff actually tested the CO levels in the building when they were having issues on December 23rd. Fast forward to the issue on Wednesday, December 27th. Bender says that the cause of the high CO levels were a heater in the lobby and their ice resurfacing equipment. There were multiple games going on at the Twin Rinks last Wednesday, but officials finally canceled one game near the end of the second period because kids were vomiting on the benches and in the locker room. One coach told 2 on your side that 13 out of his 16 players were treated at a nearby hospital. In a statement, Bender said in part, "We are currently working diligently with multiple contractors to make things right and repairing everything in question." In a social media post, Holiday Twin Rinks said they now plan to reopen Friday, January 5th, as long as they can finish repairs and building inspections pass without issue. On your side, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.